Let's be real for a second. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow," only for tomorrow to show up and nothing's changed? It's frustrating, right? Feels like your life is stuck on repeat, like you're spinning your wheels but going nowhere. Here's the thing. It's not because you're lazy. It's because nobody taught you how to actually manage your time. Today, I'm sharing 7 lessons from the book Master Your Time that can literally save you years of wasted effort. And trust me, Lesson 7 hits harder than anything you've ever heard about focus. Lesson 1. Protect your energy first. Energy. You can have all the time in the world, but if your energy is low, it doesn't matter. Think about your worst days. You had hours, but couldn't get anything done. That's the silent trap stealing your productivity. Most advice tells you to work harder. That's a lie. Here's the real deal. Sleep well, eat well, and use your sharpest energy on the things that actually move your life forward. I've been seeing people who get the most done in the shortest time. The high performers, the entrepreneurs, and they all manage energy before they manage tasks. So before jumping into work, ask yourself, do I even have the energy to make this task count? If not, take care of yourself first. Because if your morning energy collapses, the rest of your day will fall like dominoes. Lesson 2. Build a simple, clear system. Next up, your system. This one is huge. Ever notice how some people finish more in an hour than most do in a full day? It's not luck. It's not motivation. It's a system. Stop relying on motivation to get things done. That's unreliable. Write your goals down. Remove distractions. Have a simple plan that even your tired, stressed self can follow. Motivation comes and goes, but a solid system keeps you moving forward every single day. I have seen dozens of people, and the ones who thrive, they follow their system like clockwork. No guessing, no procrastinating. Structure beats talent every time, even if you don't feel like working. Lesson 3. Question every task. Here's a tough truth. Most of what we do all day isn't productive. It's just busy work. Before doing anything, ask yourself, is this building my future, or am I just filling my day? The crazy part? Saying yes to unimportant stuff steals your potential. High performers don't just get things done. They ruthlessly say no to the wrong things. Students, creators, and entrepreneurs completely transform their results when they start cutting low-value work out of their life. So next time your day feels full but meaningless, remember, every yes to the wrong task is a no to your biggest goals. Every little yes you give to something meaningless slowly steals your dreams. Lesson 4. Upgrade how you think about time. Time isn't the enemy. Your mindset about it is. Most people think they're too busy, but the real issue is they don't plan with purpose. Learn from the past. Prepare for tomorrow. Stay consistent for 90 days. Deadlines don't just organize your tasks. They organize your life. Here's the twist. People think deadlines stress them out. Actually, the right deadlines give you freedom and clarity. They create momentum even when motivation disappears. I've seen it again and again. People who shift how they think about time suddenly get more done in a week than most do in a month. Lesson 5. Choose work that matters 10 years from now. This one is a reality check. If what you're working on today won't matter in 5 to 10 years, then why are you wasting your energy on it? Most people chase urgent stuff instead of important stuff. Urgent feels necessary, but long-term value is what builds your future. Focus on work that challenges you, excites you, and aligns with your values. Ask yourself, will this matter 5 years from now? If not, drop it or adjust it. Most high achiever, students and professionals completely shift their careers just by asking this one question before taking action. If your future self wouldn't care about it, why should you? Lesson 6. Chase mastery, not multitasking. Multitasking is a productivity myth. Doing 20 things at once doesn't make you efficient, it makes you mediocre. The twist? Excellence comes from mastery. Focus on a few things and do them really, really well. Combine similar tasks, learn the basics deeply, and repeat until your skill becomes automatic. High performers, athletes, creators, entrepreneurs have a hidden secret. They don't do more, they do less, better, and master it fully. Repetition isn't boring. Repetition is how you become unstoppable. Lesson 7. Guard your focus like it's gold. Your focus is your superpower, but distractions are everywhere. Phones, emails, notifications, chat. They steal hours without you realizing. Here's the twist. Most people think multitasking is productive. It's not. Real productivity comes from deep focus. Block out 45 minutes for a single task. No switching. No notifications. Chase that flow state where hours feel like minutes, and results multiply. I've seen people double their output just by protecting their focus. That's how powerful it is. In a world full of distractions, focus is your single biggest advantage. And if these 7 lessons opened your eyes, imagine what the next video could do for you. If you're ambitious but feel lazy, stuck, or inconsistent, go watch. If you're ambitious but lazy, watch this next. It's linked on the screen and in the description. Comment below. Which lesson hit you hardest? I want to know which one changes your day. And don't forget to subscribe and like, because we're building a community of people who refuse to waste their potential.